Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today I bring you the 2019 Mazda CX5 Turbo. This features the same engine that is featured in the Mazda 6 Signature with the turbo. So it has 227 horsepower with 310 pound-feet of torque. This is the sticker on this one. Not sure how much you can read, but the sticker price of this exact one is $36,065. The snowflake white is a optional color. This one is the Grand Touring Reserve all-wheel drive model. Go ahead, take a quick walk around. This is your key here. A pretty nice key. Once you're inside, you have the black leather with the brown contrast stitching. Very nice. Sport button there. Much like the new Mazda 3, you can see which seat belts are fastened, and when it is fastened, it's green. Nice digital gauges with a heads-up display up top. Let me tell you, it's very weird to hear a turbo sound coming out of an SUV like this. I've always said to anybody who's asked, what mid-size, small SUV should I get? It's always been the CX5. It's a driver's SUV. It really is. And now with this turbo, it just solidifies that decision. You might be able to barely hear that little turbo blow off. So it really doesn't like to rev past 5,500 RPM. Now, in the automatic transmission setting, you'll notice that it will shift before redline. Because with the small turbo that's fitted on this, that's where torque falls off. So you really don't want to go past that. Trying the radar cruise control here, where it's either going to keep the distance you set or the speed. It's not going to exceed one or the other. Or actually, it's not going to exceed any of them. Yeah, I was wondering if I dropped the window, if the blow off would be a little bit louder, and it's not, but So we'll get it up to 30 and do a brake test. Not bad. So overall, this is probably the best small SUV you can get. Or mid-size SUV, I should say. This is probably the best one you can get if you like to drive, you like to have fun. Now with the turbo, it's a great overall package, and it's for 36 and some change, it's an awesome price for it. So thank you so much for watching this video, guys. Please like, share, subscribe, and stay tuned for the next one. Have a great day.